Hi, I'm Neil from signagelive. signagelive is a cloud-based digital signage content management system. We're working with LG and webOS to create a really simple platform where all you need is a screen and an internet connection to be able to start having digital signage. That's something that generally in the past you would have had to have quite a lot of expensive equipment. LG are making that so that you don't have to pay out all of that expense to be able to get signage on your walls. Generally, that means that companies that can afford one screen, little companies or companies that have thousands of screens, can achieve the same thing. It doesn't matter whether you're a one-person shop or 1,000 employees, you can still achieve the same things, and actually you can achieve all of the same interactivity with the screens. So what we're showing here is actually creating an interactive experience. So making it so the screen's not just a replica of static posters, it's actually allowing people to interact with the screens and change the content dependent on what they're doing. So the first example is lift and learn. What that means is that we can have a shelf with some products on. The products are showing, just trying to draw your attention as would normally be happening in a retail store. And we've got the screen just showing some content that's trying to attract your attention and give you a call to action. So we can see that it's telling us to lift a product. If I lift a product, what that's saying is I'm already interested in this product. By then changing the screen to give some more information about that product, you're even more likely to purchase the product. So that's creating a really nice experience. And you can pick up each of the different products and it will show a different video. Once that video stopped, it falls back to the attract content so that someone else can get the same call to action. The other example is dynamic NFC. So by having NFC enabled on your phone, you can actually start to take something away from the screen. So we've got a video showing some products, and actually if I have my phone, I can hold it against the NFC tag and we'll let that just catch up and get it. And we can see the product that we're showing on the NFC on the screen is a wetsuit, and I've now got on my phone an offer that's about that wetsuit, so I can take that off to the till and get a special discount that's available because I interacted with the screen. That's a really nice way of being able to get someone to interact and actually take something away. It doesn't have to be an offer like that, it could be a call to action or something that they can take away so they remember the products that they were looking at. As the video changes on the screen, the offer that I get on my phone if I touch the NFC tag changes as well. So it's dynamically happening without any interaction, and all you need is the LG webOS screen and an NFC tag plugged in. So again, nice, simple, cost-effective solution to be able to create an interactive solution. One last thing that we can do with the screens that we're showing here is actually being able to trigger an emergency message or create a message in real time. So I have an interface on my phone that is pretending effectively to be a fire alarm system, which could be integrated or it can be done manually. I can choose a group of players or a single player that I want to send it to, and what we'll see is actually the screen falls over in real time to a piece of pre-configured content. Now that pre-configured content can be different on every screen. I could make that trigger on both of these if I wanted to, and they could be pointing in different ways depending on the right route to leave. That could also be showing something like a goal. So say you're in a stadium and a goal scored in the football, all of a sudden we can trigger all of the screens in the stadium to move away from their advertising and show a goal sequence. So again, this is creating really nice experiences for people using webOS technology and just the screen and the network connectivity. So everyone, from a single person that's running a single shop with one employee to thousands of employees with lots of capital, they can all achieve the same thing. It doesn't really matter whether you've got lots of money or not, or you've got lots of people that can create content. Along with signagelive and the partners that we work with, we can help you create that content as well. So webOS has given us a great platform to do that. The webOS platform as a development platform is really easy to use. It's designed really well. The documentation that goes with it really is easy to follow, describes everything really well and gives some really good examples. And if there are anything that isn't in the documentation, then LG are really quick to come back to us and give us a really good answer. So that's it. I was Neil from signagelive, and we're using LG webOS.